Please. Wait, off. Wait, get off. Oh, I know. You like the fish? Very funny, Corey.
That's where in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit. That is not a problem for Chloe and Corey, because both of them are South American sea lions. They're not a seal. But how can we tell? First, they have this big and powerful front flippers. But how powerful are they? Check this out. Drum roll, please. Officer,
Yes, officer.
how's that for a strike?
I guess not bad.
Wait, not bad? What do you mean?
Because Corey right here can do better than that.
Oh, we love to see that, officer.
Alright, please step down right here, Corey, and let's show these thugs what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please.
You're not kidding, officer.
Well, where's another answer? Corey and Chloe.
What we read, a little bit funny looks a place for juicy fish. Right in front of Chloe's face. Now the rule is, she can only eat this fish on the top of my hands for only one at a time. Alright? Ready, Chloe? Let's start with the first fish now. Eats and stays. Wow. Right, second fish. Good fish eats and she stays again. Now this time, folks, try to fool Chloe by clapping her hands. Louder! See, it's not gonna work unless it's my hands. See? And one more fish to go, and we are done to our last fish. Hey,